And hi, this is Zach Curtis, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about TheStash, my application. I have the CRUD functionality completed. I'm using CodeIgniter, so that helped a bunch. One nice thing that I really like about it is that it provides a lot of helpers, but it doesn't really get in your way. So if you need to use some core PHP functionality, it works really well for that. So just the basics. I can log in, go to my administration. I have my user list here, very plain and simple, and go in and edit a user here. Go back to administration. I can delete a user, so that's nice, or I can create a new one. So again, very simple. Just looking at some of the code, I have an admin based controller that essentially just provides a jump off point for administration. This could be lists or authentication rules or authorization rules, anything like that. Right now it just gets the user list, but the user updating happens in the user file. So I really prefer a very RESTful route approach. So all my routes are RESTful. I really enjoy that about CodeIgniter. It makes it easy to set up. So you can see here, there's my public login and log out functionality. But then I can keep my code organized in the same controller, and I can, number one, check if the user is logged in, if not, redirect them to the home, and then I can make sure that they're an administrator. And it's nice. I just need to add these lines of code in each one, and I have just a simple error view that loads up if you try to access something that you can't. So if I try to access this admin page when I'm logged out, oops, I hope I get the correct route. You can see it routed me right back to home. So that's about it. I really like CodeIgniter. It really has helped me provide this base framework for just some of the core functionality as far as getting things out of the database. Another thing I might note is that the edit and the create form is the same form. This is all my code in the view that it takes. I can get away with that because once the create and the edit both load the same form. The only difference is the edit fills the form with existing values in the database, and then they both post to the same method, which is save. And it makes it really nice because all I have to do is a simple check if the user ID exists. So if it does, I can update, and if it doesn't, then I can insert. That's about it for that. Thank you.